Hello and welcome back to the Volume Vegan Cooking Channel. A little grocery haul for the week following Thanksgiving. I was not in the mood to shop after all of that holiday cooking. When I did my shopping, we still had leftovers to eat from Thanksgiving and from the Alfredo recipe that I just put up on my channel, so I didn't get much. I also didn't get that many snacks this week. I'm just not in the mood to be in the kitchen. So let's see what I did get. Here's a few pantry items. My kid requested some granola and yogurt, so I got this vanilla almond agave granola by Back to Nature. I generally try to get granolas that are easy to pair up with lots of flavors, so you can add different kinds of yogurts and fruits in, and the flavors won't clash. I got some cauliflower crackers by From the Ground Up. I'm making a pot of chili later this week, and crackers are an essential part of chili for me. I used to love saltine crackers. These are as close as it gets for me in the gluten-free cracker department. They're much smaller than they appear on the box, and amazingly, the serving size is 50 crackers for only 100 calories. Then we have a pack of Heart of Palm noodles by Palmini. I got these to eat up the rest of my cauliflower Alfredo sauce. It was the first time that I had the Heart of Palm noodles, and I loved them. It's a pricier option than making your own zucchini noodles, but I might be getting them more often. I got some popcorn because popcorn is a great volume snack. I hadn't tried the avocado oil corn yet, but I do love avocado oil. It's a great heart-healthy fat, so I decided to get these. I haven't tried them yet. And I got these Simple Truth baked pea puffs for my kid in barbecue flavor. Plant-based, good source of protein. I am not a puffs person. Back when I would eat like Cheetos, I liked the normal small crunchy Cheetos, but never liked the cheese puffs or cheese balls. I think a good way to prevent me from eating snacks that I shouldn't be is buying my kids snacks that I won't like. If you don't have the junk in your house, you're not gonna eat it, right? More pantry items. This Lavazza coffee just won't stop being on sale, so I guess it's my regular coffee now. I got some chili powder, 2 cans of fire roasted tomatoes, and I always use fire roasted ones. I'm kind of extra in that way. If I can roast a veggie before using it in a recipe, I probably will, because I just love the flavor development. I got a can of kidney beans, a rare treat in my house as we do not eat beans a whole lot. They're high in carbs. But I'm making chili this week, and I just will not deny us the bite of the glorious kidney bean in any chili that I ever make. It's a necessity. I got some more of that zero sugar maple syrup and my standard high heat go-to cooking oil, grapeseed. We got this blueberry pomegranate aha this week. Aha is my kid's favorite sparkling water brand. I don't like sparkling water. I would prefer to just drink plain ice water instead. Got some more bread. I confess that in the aftermath of the holiday, we had a couple of different sandwich nights, so my last loaf of bread didn't last as long as it normally does. I love Beef Free. It's definitely my favorite gluten-free bread brand. I picked up some Beyond Meatballs this week to stick in the freezer in case we have a lazy night. And also some Impossible Ground that I'm going to add into the chili later this week. Whenever I buy the plant-based meats, it's usually because I have a coupon or they're on a good sale. Beyond and Impossible meats are both gluten-free, most of them. I think that the new chicken strips that people have been talking about by Beyond are not gluten-free, but I haven't seen them in the store yet. A few non-dairy section items. I told you earlier that my kid asked for a big tub of yogurt, so I grabbed this Chobani Oat Vanilla again because my selection at this store was really limited. It was the only large container of plant-based yogurt on the shelf. It's really yummy though. I had a little bit of it the last time we had some, and adding granola and berries to it really turns it into a dessert, a parfait. This yogurt is high in sugar though, so treat it as a garnishment or a condiment rather than the star of the dish, and it's not too far off the chosen path. I got my favorite unsweetened plain oat milk by Chobani. And I am really enjoying this picnic coconut creamer. So it's kind of what I'm grabbing right now, unless there is a sale on one of my other unsweetened favorites. Tiny produce haul. Green onion, always green onion. I eat it practically on every single meal, and I usually buy 4 bundles a week. I got a pint of blueberries for my kids' yogurt granola treats. I got the spring mix salad that I always get. I got another pack of baby Bella mushrooms so that I can make another meal out of my cauliflower Alfredo sauce. And here's my chili produce. A green bell pepper, 2 jalapeno peppers, and a yellow onion. So yeah, it was a small haul this week. On top of leftovers and sandwich nights, it's a slow cooking week at my house. But I am making a pot of amazing chili for you this week, and I have also filmed a vegan fridge video for you, taking you on a tour of the contents of my fridge and my pantry, and even showing you what could be shocking content, my spice rack. Stay tuned for that video as well. Thank you so much for checking out another one of my grocery hauls. I hope that it helps you when you go to the grocery store. Please like and share my video with your friends. Get in the comments and tell me what you think. And of course, subscribe to my channel while you're here. Turn on those notifications so that you never miss another one of my videos. I really appreciate the support. Have a wonderful week. I hope you eat really good today. I'll talk to you very soon. Bye-bye.